In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up direct deposit on Robinhood. This is a simple process that can make managing your finances much easier. Direct deposit allows your paycheck to go directly into your Robinhood account without any extra steps. Let's dive into how you can set this up using the Robinhood app. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone. This is your gateway to managing your investments and banking in one convenient place. Once you have the app open, look for the account icon. It's usually represented by a person symbol. Tap on that icon to access your account settings. Next up, tap on the menu icon. This is represented by three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. From there, navigate to the transfer section. This is where you can manage all your money movements within Robinhood. Now tap on direct deposits. This will take you to the page where you can find the key information needed for setting up your direct deposit. Here you will see both your routing number and your account number displayed. These numbers are essential for connecting your employer's payroll system to your Robinhood account. Copy these numbers carefully. Accurate entry ensures that your funds land in the right account. Once you have copied the routing and account numbers, you need to provide them to your employer. Enter these details in your employer's payroll system or give them directly to your HR or payroll department. It's important to ensure that these numbers are entered correctly. Mistakes can delay your direct deposit setup. Now, let's talk about the timing. The initial setup of direct deposit can take between 1 to 2 pay cycles. This timing largely depends on your employer and their payroll provider. It might take a little time initially, but it's worth it for the convenience of having your paycheck deposit automatically. After your direct deposit is established, funds are typically credited when Robinhood's banking partner receives them. This means you can have access to your money as soon as it arrives, helping you manage your cash flow more efficiently. It's also helpful to know what information your employer will typically need. Besides the routing and account numbers, they may ask for the type of account you are using. Most often, you will be asked to specify whether it's a checking or savings account, if applicable. Having this information ready can speed up the process. With these steps completed, you can enjoy the benefits of direct deposit. No more waiting in line at the bank or worrying about lost checks. Direct deposit is a secure and efficient way to manage your income. And there you have it. You've successfully set up direct deposit on Robinhood. This setup not only saves time, but also gives you quick access to your funds. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Robinhood support. They are there to help you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with ease. Until next time, take care and happy investing.